Alright people, 116 Falconer. Just quick video. I just received my Puluz whatever GoPro case. Beautiful piece of kit. It's well made. You get a cold shoe adapter. You get an adapter you can screw on the bottom to use your GoPro accessories. Comes with 2 screws there to put it on. You get a lens cap, 52mm. There's a UV filter on there. But it's not designed for the GoPro 6, regardless of what it says. It says here Hero6 5. The box says Hero 5, but on the side it says Hero6 5. Well, it's not, and I'll tell you why. Because the microphone slots are not where they need to be. You have your one here on the Hero 6. You got 4 microphones. You have one right up here, that little bitty hole by the record button. There's another one right here, but you see where I made my pencil or my pen mark? That's where the hole should be. You have another one at the bottom here in right here in this hole, which the mic gets covered up by the housing. Then you have your 4th right here. So when you take a video with this, if you're relying solely on your GoPro audio, which, I mean, the GoPro 6, the audio is pretty nice. I can't complain. You're going to be sorely disappointed because you turn the camera, this, that, and you lose audio. Basically, you don't hear nothing from this side or the bottom. So you have your top and this side. That's the only place you get audio from. Now, if you're using like an external mic, like a Zoom H1, you know, you put it on the cold shoe mount, then you're fine, you know, which is no big deal. But if you want to use the audio right from the camera, you're not going to like it, not one bit. Here is the side. This is where your lanyard screw goes in. You can see where the microphone is there. It lines up with the microphone right there on the top. And on the camera or on the housing, it's not. I mean, you can see the pen mark there where it should be. The other problem is, the other thing I have an issue with, other than the audio, is your lanyard screw here, or wristband screw, whatever. The only thing that keeps this in is the friction on the top pressing against your rubber GoPro housing. There's nothing to stop this from working its way out. You know, so if you're running around, have this on your wrist strap, not paying attention, bam, 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 next thing you know, your freaking GoPro's gone. So, this, although it's beautiful, it's not made for the Hero 6. I'm going to take it down. I'm going to drill a hole out here, and I'm going to enlarge the hole on the bottom to try to get the audio better. Well, I may not. I may just send it back and then wait for one that's made for the Hero 6. So, anyways, that's it. So, the Puluz, whatever it's called, not for the Hero 6. Alright, see ya.